Are you guilty of procrastinating? If yes, then this content is for you. Hello everyone, this is Sunil Poddar. I'm a mindset hacker and I help people gain self clarity so that they can live an empowered and happy life using the power of mindset. There is a lot of pain and stress that goes hand in hand when we leave the task for the last moment. And sometimes we don't know where to start at all. So I'll be telling you the 4 ways to reduce procrastination. The first way is to maintain a to-do list. More often than not, we stress ourselves so much into remembering the task, but we need to keep things simple, and the easiest way to do that is to write it down. Maintaining a to-do list will help us keep a tab of the task that we have in hand. But if you don't have a to-do list, your first step is to create a to-do list. And if you have a to-do list, your first step would be to remove the tasks that are unnecessarily lying, at either complete it or remove it from the to-do list. We usually overdo things, and it is also a reason that we are stressed out and we procrastinate because we overdo our to-do list. It is important to strike balance when we maintain a to-do list. The second way is maintaining a power hour. A power hour is 1 hour of your time where you will be doing a particular task with utmost focus. Let me explain it to you. If y axis is our focus and x axis is time, then our focus increases with time to some extent, but after a particular point of time, the focus starts decreasing. And if we continue to work over here, we'll get demotivated. So it's important to just block in 1 hour of time where you have maximum focus and then take a break. But having this 1 hour is very important so that you complete the task that is of utmost importance in this 1 hour, in your focus hour. So that is why using a power hour is important. The third way is having an accountability partner. Having an accountability partner will make sure that even if you don't do the task, there is someone behind your back who will make you do it. It's as simple. It is similar to having a gym instructor in your gym so that there is someone to push you. The fourth is avoiding distraction. So motivation is not always enough. Social media algorithms are so strong that we generally keep on scrolling our our Facebook feed or our Instagram feed. So motivation in that case is not, it is not helpful. So in that case, it is important that we avoid distractions. We try to minimize the distraction by removing the app or by switching off the mobile when we need to focus. So these are the 4 ways to avoid procrastination. The first way is to maintaining a to-do list and cleaning a to-do list. The second way is to having a power hour. The third way is having an accountability partner. And fourth way is not leaving it on motivation, but actually avoiding any kind of distraction by removing it from sight, out of sight and out of mind. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this useful, I would request you to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.